Alright, here we are at the Ashland air gun range. Guys are practicing right now. One guy's already shooting the match. This is Wayne. He's the owner of the Ashland air gun range. How you doing, Wayne? I like it. Pretty day here.
Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah, just warming up today.
Yeah, Wayne's just warming up, about to get ready to do a match.
Oh, this pinch just went off. Started going sideways.
Getting it sighted in.
Stuff it in the hole sideways. That didn't work so good.
Wayne just backed off the power of this thing a little bit to get a few more shots, so he's got to re-sight in here.
That's the other one.
Oh, that was the other one.
Yeah, that gun's over
Oh, that's
there.
over there. This is your
This
killer.
Is number 6. This is 20 foot-pounds almost.
Yeah, he's right on the edge of the
Yeah, I'm sure it does it.
range.
A couple extra marks on it.
Legal. This is Randy here. He's shooting the Benjamin Discovery 17 cal. Beautiful day here at the range. The competition is still raging here at the Ashland Air Rifle Range. Good job, man.
Yes.
Nice shot. Alright, this is Ashland, Oregon, the Air Rifle Range. Alright, here we are. Randy shooting, what, at 50 yards? 45?
Yeah, it's about 45.
45 yard target here. He dinged the last one.
Yeah, the first shot lands about 430, just outside the kill zone. Just barely see the mark. Must have been, yeah.
Not too far off.
Wasn't quite
About a half-inch to the
crazy on the
left.
second shot.
Do you see that green paint better where the
Yeah.
mark is?
Yeah.
I compensated for the wind. It wasn't as much wind as I thought it was going to be. Yeah, it dies down. That's
Yeah,
what
it
kicks
does.
my butt.
Was that your first shot, Wayne?
Yeah,
Okay.
on the second target.
Yeah, it just, all of a sudden it's, you look over there and you make your adjustment, pull the trigger, and you look back over there and it's not doing something exactly opposite.
Yeah, see that thing just now it went from
Yeah.
straight out to straight down.
Yeah.
Oh, you hit the metal.
5 seconds.
I hit the metal on both of them.
But it didn't break. It's alright.
Oh well. I didn't do real good on that lane.
It's alright. That's a long shot. On a borrowed gun. This is not Randy's normal gun he shoots.
Nice. That one's kind of tough.
I get better. I get better.
Oh yeah.